Hello, my chemistry faithful, video 11, last video of boot camp. Woohoo! Polyatomic ions. We will be able to identify polyatomic ions by name and symbol after this video. First off, poly means many atomic atoms, many atoms together forming an ion. We don't know what an ion is yet either, but that's okay. I just want to get you guys kind of fluent with these names and where to find these. So a polyatomic ion, what is it at all? It is a molecule, more than one atom, that becomes an ion. It has gained or lost an electron. These ions are generally locked together and act together as a single entity. They don't come apart, and that's going to be key for our learning later on when we start balancing equations. Okay? They are all listed on table E. So here's our handy dandy periodic or reference table. Table E is right in the back, and here is a list of all of the polyatomic ions. We will use them to figure out how these things work. Ready? On with it. So we understand the notation. Okay? First off, here's table E. So we have a graphic of table E for us to use. I'm going to teach you real quick how to use it. So H3O with a plus is hydronium. Okay? Its formula, H3O plus. This means that there are three H's and one O, hence polyatomic, many atoms. There's 4 atoms in that ion. Together they have lost 1 electron, now they have a positive charge. We'll delve deeper into that next unit, I promise. Okay? Sticking with hydronium, I see its name is hydronium. Just copy it right over. Simply transfer the name. There's no changing of the name. When we get into bonding, we'll learn how we name actual compounds. Table E, we get to just use the name, which is nice. Okay? Then its ionic charge is up in the corner. So that little plus is its charge. And it flips, or it's a plus, or you could say it's a +1. It's got a positive charge. When there's no number in chemistry, it's a +1. Good? I think that might be it, because now literally I'm going to ask you to write the formula, the name, and the charge for every one of these in your do now, and we'll be done. Okay? One thing I don't want you to get hung up on, and that's one part that frustrates me on this particular reference table. They write the negative and the positive after the number. I don't want you to get hung up on that. So like that 2 negative is a -2 charge. The 3 negative is a -3 charge. So don't get hung up on that. For whatever reason, they don't write the sign first and then the number, which I wish they would, because that's how we would do it. For whatever, this is the only chart that they do that on, and I don't know why they do it. Okay? And what are the common ones? Well, the ones we use a lot. We do use ammonium a lot. We're going to use carbonate quite a bit. We're going to use nitrate, not nitrite. We'll use nitrate a lot. We'll use phosphate a lot. And sulfate. That's it. We're done. You just completed your first unit, so I'm really proud of you guys. Get study hard and get ready for that test. See ya.